Miss Universe Zimbabwe ate and left no crumbs ku Mexico kwavari kuita Miss Universe. Guys, musikana Sakile representa nyika zvakanaka. The competition is very tight. Kune vasikana vakanaka, but aiwa matebelele ndaina kuita zvokutamba guys. Yakabura chibobiri, chibeauty, chiiko. Muri kuona vanga vakapfeka. The theme was the soaring eagle is a representation of the majesty and heritage of the nation. Ubva vatika building kakavakwa kasina cement. Iyi cement yekuzobiwa guys. Great Zimbabwe. Aiwa vanga vakadai neZimbabwe bed yacho. Chero kuti chii kana kuti chii guys. Aiwa kana. Kana. This is woven with deep symbolism and artistry. It is a story of Zimbabwe's proud identity, its natural wonders and deep cultural roots. Igu iri rino representa grace, strength and vision, representing majesty of Zimbabwe in this costume. The outstretched wings symbolize Zimbabwe's strength and its aspiration to arise above challenges and soar to new heights. The colorful wings of the costume evoke the vivid rainbow that arcs over the falls, a reminder of Zimbabwe's natural beauty and the unyielding connection between the nation and its land. Just as the rainbow forms a bridge between the sky and the earth, the costume symbolizes the connection between Zimbabwe's past and future, and its rich cultural heritage and its soaring modern aspirations. The founder of the costume, draped in a striking rock pattern, crowns this ethereal vision by paying homage to one of Zimbabwe's most iconic and historical significant structures, the Greater Zimbabwe. These ancient stone ruins, whose name means House of Stone, once served as the seat of a powerful kingdom, representing the height of Zimbabwe's civilization in centuries past. The rock pattern on the dress symbolizes the strength, resilience, and the deep roots of the nation. The costume mirrors the duality of Zimbabwe itself, a nation that is grounded in tradition and yet is not afraid to dream, to rise, to fly. A marriage of the natural world and the built environment, capturing Zimbabwe's story as both a land of unparalleled natural beauty and a nation with an illustrious human history. Thank you, Sesemine Baloyi, guys. Nazotwa Mukandla, you brought this dream to life. Guys, aiwa kana, guys. Guys, we see the Zimbabwean bed, the great Zimbabwe ruins, makalas ayo. Jese guys, sezvangotaurwa, the designer is out of this world. Muno, you should be on the international stage designing for the great people. Vanogona vana ava, guys. So, Zozomkandla ariko ikoko neteam zimu vachisapota musikana paanorova runway guys. Hakusi kutambiwa uko mama Mini Baloyi guys, he went out of a way to make sure that this is a success. Vakaisa mari yavo pazviri vachimanya manya samai venyika. What else do we need as a nation to unite? Let us stand behind musikana Sakile and vote. Lines actually they have been open for a very long time. If you follow up links than Madam Boss, you will find a lot of links there. Zimbabweans, instead of focusing on so much negativity, nekuita noise, ketina waita tino, wazobvarugwa ndiani. This is the time yatinoratidza kuti we can do it as a nation. Remember once takambovhotera Madam Boss paiswa malines ukanzi ngativhotei tidai, and we voted Madam Boss vakascopa prize, and apa we've been given a chance ekuti tivhotere Sakile Dube. Guys, the universe has nothing to deny pana Sakiapa. She actually has to win, guys. Anofanira kuwina, because this right there is a piece of work. Kubva kwaari iye as a person, kuinda kumunhu akadesigna dress racho, kuinda padress racho, and the way she carries herself gracefully. Wow, guys, this is epic. This is a time when Zimbabwe is going to be recognized by international stage. for bringing a beauty that people have never seen. Amene kuti akanyatsoburwa nechepakona ipi guys, kuti choloto kana kuti tea hatizive, but anyway she is beautiful guys. So ndozviri kuitika kuMexico for now. Competition sezvatambotaura iri very tough, kune zvisikana zvimwe zvinopisa zvimwe chini, but the bottom line is black is beautiful, and here we are guys, takamira naSakile Dube until tadzoka neCrown kumba. Musakangamwe guys, Miss Malaika vakatombobva kuZimbabwe rimwe gore, vamwe ndozoti musati mazvarwa, but Miss Malaika vakatombobva, Brita Masaletulin akabuda pamatebelele ndapa akaenda mai mwana, vanhu vakafara, tikachema tikajamba tikafara, akadzoka neCrown yaMiss Malaika, and this time it is possible. I can see us guys, all of us takamira pa-airport paya tichifara mai vadzoka neCrown. Wow guys, this is time. So let us not forget to look for our links and vote. Naika, I'll also try and put the link as well with description box apa kuti vanokwanisa guys tingobaya. We lose nothing for doing good for our country.